In this video, we'll be discussing the future of work in the age of automation, and more specifically, whether ChatGPT and other AI systems will leave us jobless. The rise of AI and machine learning has many experts worried about its impact on the job market. But is this really the case? First, let's take a look at what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on vast amounts of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. Now, the concern is that ChatGPT and other AI systems will replace human workers in various industries. But the truth is, AI is not going to replace all jobs. Instead, it will complement human workers by automating certain tasks and allowing us to focus on more complex and creative work. In fact, a study by the World Economic Forum found that while some jobs will be lost to automation, many new jobs will also be created in fields such as data analysis, machine learning, and robotics. Moreover, AI will also increase productivity and efficiency, leading to economic growth and the creation of new industries. So, will ChatGPT leave us jobless? The answer is no. While it may displace some workers, it will also create new job opportunities and drive economic growth. It's important to remember that technology has always brought both challenges and opportunities. And as we embrace AI, it's up to us to shape its impact on the job market by developing the skills and knowledge necessary to take advantage of the new opportunities it creates. The emergence of automation in the workplace. The rise of automation technologies has changed the way we work and do business. Today, ChatGPT and other AI systems are being developed and used to automate various tasks and processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. Automation has the potential to replace human workers in certain industries, leading to job losses and increased unemployment. However, it also has the potential to create new jobs in areas such as AI development and maintenance. As automation continues to advance, it is important to consider how it will impact the future of work. Some experts predict that jobs will become more specialized and focused on creativity, while others believe that automation will result in widespread job losses and unemployment. To adapt to the changing job market, it is essential for workers to reskill and upskill themselves. This means acquiring new skills and knowledge that will be relevant in the future workplace, including skills in AI, automation, and digital technologies. Governments and companies have a responsibility to support workers in reskilling and upskilling themselves. This can involve providing training programs, retraining opportunities, and financial support. Despite its potential negative impact on employment, automation also has the potential to bring many benefits. For example, it can increase efficiency, reduce errors, and lower costs for companies, leading to economic growth and prosperity. As automation continues to advance, it is important to consider ethical and social issues. This includes issues related to privacy, transparency, and accountability, as well as the impact of automation on workers and communities. The future of AI and ChatGPT is uncertain, but it is likely that these technologies will continue to advance and play an increasingly important role in the workplace and society. It is important for governments, companies, and individuals to consider the impact of these technologies and to plan for their future use. To ensure that automation and AI are used in an ethical and responsible manner, it is important for governments to regulate their use. This can involve setting standards and guidelines for their development and use, as well as enforcing penalties for unethical or illegal use. The impact of automation and AI on employment and society is a complex and important issue, and it is important for there to be open and public discussion about it. This can involve engaging with experts, stakeholders, and the public, and considering a range of perspectives and viewpoints. Labor unions have an important role to play in protecting the rights and interests of workers in the face of automation and AI. This can involve advocating for workers' rights, supporting reskilling and upskilling programs, and negotiating fair compensation and benefits. Regardless of the outcome, it is important for workers, governments, and companies to prepare for the future impact of automation and AI. This can involve investing in education and training, creating flexible and adaptable work environments, and considering the ethical implications of these technologies. In conclusion, while the rise of ChatGPT and other AI systems may bring some challenges, it also presents us with an exciting opportunity to shape the future of work and build a more prosperous and fulfilling future for all. Please subscribe.